Onboarding wise, yes. The fact that the team actually understood what I wanted, the journey or the way I wanted to design the portal so that it would be comfortable for my agents. I think that was very, the team was very understanding. I did not have to repeat myself multiple times to what I wanted. The fact that they also helped me improvise the portal a little more was one thing that I really appreciated. Coming to the fact, what I like about Capture, I think it is very comfortable, and the fact that I don't have to like have multiple clicks to reach one destination. Everything is right there on the screen. The fact that everything is API calling is super fast. My team does not have to wait for a longer time to ensure that the customer details are there for verification and multiple other things. My journey with when it onboarded to now, we are still in our teething phase where we're still exploring it a little more, trying to enhance it, trying to beautify it even more, depending on our agents use. Overall, I think the portal, when it started, it did not have anything as base. We started it from scratch, and the fact that it is up and running and it has been beautiful journey where my agents are actually able to enjoy the portal more than more than I enjoyed getting the portal up and ready. I think my agents have now super easy for them to use. I think it's great. I'm really looking forward to different more features getting added to the portal for enhancements of my customer experience as well as my agents, because they're equally very important. I think we'll come out of the teething phase faster than I expected. I would also like to add that Capture CX is making the customer support a very happy and a very fruitful place.